Are you experiencing camera issues on your iPhone? Is your camera not working properly or showing a black screen? This can be frustrating, especially if you rely on your iPhone camera for work or personal use. In this video, we'll show you some easy solutions to fix the camera not working on iPhone issue. We'll cover everything from checking the basics to more advanced troubleshooting steps so you can get your camera working again in no time. Hi, my name is Abhiyanshu Rao and let's start the video. If you are experiencing camera issues on your iPhone, there are a few things you can do to troubleshoot the problem. The first step is to make sure that your iPhone is running on the latest software update. Go to the settings, then general and software update. If there is a new update available, install it. If your camera is still not working, try force quitting the camera app. Double click on the home button and swipe up on the camera app to close it. Then reopen the camera app and see if it's working properly. If you are still having camera issues, try iPhone. Press and hold the sleep until the red sliders appears. Then slide it to power off your iPhone. Once your iPhone is off, press and hold the sleep or wake button again until the app logo appears. This will restart your iPhone. If none of these solutions work, try resetting your iPhone settings. Go to the settings, then general, then reset and choose reset all settings. This will reset your iPhone settings to their factory defaults, but it won't delete any of your data. If your camera is still not working, it may be a hardware issue. Contact Apple support or visit Apple Store to get your iPhone checked out. Thanks for watching this video on how to fix the camera not working on iPhone issue. We hope that these easy solutions helped you get your camera working again. If you have any questions or other solutions that have worked for you, please leave a comment below.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.